Right boys, in today's video I will be breaking down my subscribers' physiques. I got a bunch of people to submit their physiques on my website and I will be giving brutal, honest advice to these guys who submitted their physiques. I'll be discussing their weak points and pretty much whether they should bulk or they should cut. Okay, so even if you're not on this submission list, you can probably take something away from this video because some guy on here will probably have a physique that looks like yours. Right, so first up we have Ayan, my boy. So you've been training 2 years in the gym, but honestly, you've already got a really aesthetic physique. I cannot lie. You're already fairly lean. You know what you're doing, obviously. Got a very good chest, got a very good back, but my honest, brutal advice is you need to bring up shoulders and arms for sure, especially your biceps. You could probably shred down another 2 to 3% body fat, and you say you struggle with binges sometimes. Honestly, this physique doesn't look like you struggle with binges. You look fairly lean. You look like that sort of ectomorph sort of type of build that just stays lean year round. So for you, Ayan, I don't know how to say your name, whatever, but I would give you probably a 6 out of 10, especially for 2 years of training. Look, right, for 2 years of training, you're pretty much still a beginner. Okay, give it like a month, literally a month shred will probably get you down to 9 to 10% body fat, and then you can consider a bulk phase, like a long gaining phase for a very prolonged period of time, about 8 months, right? But you definitely have a lot of aesthetic potential. Just keep it up with whatever you are doing. You are obviously doing it right. Next up, we have Aryan. Now, I think this guy's nearly 40 years old and he is in fantastic shape for his age, especially. At 5'10", you definitely have a good amount of muscle mass on your frame. You say you've been training since 2002 on and off, and you cut down from 180 to around 160. Was hoping to shred fat, look leaner, and possibly get my abs to show. Now I'm thinking I can't go any lower for how tall I am. Now, don't get this thing messed up in your head thinking that you're going to be victim weight, okay? Look, you still have a bit of excess fat on your frame. You're probably sitting around the 16, maybe 18% body fat range right now. I suggest keep on going on the cut. Literally, a 2-month shred can sort you right out. And actually, I would like to mention I am running an 8-week shred challenge, and this would honestly be perfect for you, bro. I'll pretty much take you on for 8 weeks to get you absolutely shredded from 18% body fat to 10% body fat as fast as humanly possible. And this 8-week shred challenge, it does come with a grand prize of $1,000. So if you have been, hovering around the 18% body fat range and you're unsure where to start, you're stuck, and you just want to get shredded and you've been putting it off, enter the competition. Link will be in the description. Fill in the form and I'll see if you are a good fit for the 8-week shred challenge. So Aryan, I really think the 8-week shred challenge would be perfect for you. You do already have a very good amount of muscle mass. You could bring up the legs a little bit, but realistically, when it comes to aesthetics, honestly, the legs are quite overrated. Maybe fill in your hamstrings a bit more, and you are very chest dominant. I would say work on your V-taper a bit more. So focus on your lats and focus on delt growth especially. You've got fairly good arms and very good traps, but mate, for your age, you are very, very aesthetic. If you are at this stage right now, any of you, okay, please listen, do not bulk. You already have excess fat on your frame, right? Your insulin sensitivity will not be optimized. So those extra calories will literally just go to fat on your frame. It won't actually help you build muscle. Get lean first and then go onto a bulk. Trust me, you do not want to make the mistake I did for 3 years. So Aryan, I would also give you a 6 out of 10. You've got a bit more muscle mass, but if you just shred down first, reduce that waist size and start focusing on your V-taper as your weak point, you'll probably get to like a 7 to an 8 out of 10 in the next few months. Right, next up we have Tao. Damn, bruv. Okay, this is a very edited picture and obviously it's good lighting, good filter. You're like 6'2", 80 kg, bruv. You are looking hella aesthetic, honestly. My goal is to be as slim as possible and look good for my height. Brother, you're already looking insane. You've got thick arms, wide shoulders, a thick chest. You can even see the lats already, bruv. Mate, this is literally perfect, right? You're pretty much already shredded. It's hard to tell with this lighting. And you say that you trained calisthenics, and I always see it with the calisthenics guys. They always look aesthetic like year round because they need to keep their body weight low, right? Nah, man, you got an amazing physique. So Tao, I'll probably give you an 8 in terms of aesthetics. You have crazy potential and just keep it up with whatever you're doing. You're obviously doing it correctly. Face is dialed in. You're even training your neck, I can tell. Very, very aesthetic, bro. bro. My advice is to literally just enter a lean gaining phase like right now, a really small surplus, and just milk it for like 8 months and try and pack on as much size as humanly possible. Right, next up we have a limb. Shit, bruv, you've got a lot of size on you. Say you've been training 3 years on and off. Is that 5'10"? I think that's around 5'10". 89 kg. You have a very good frame. You've got a small waist. You've got very long clavicles, and you have a very wide frame overall. Shoulders are looking good. Arms are looking full. Chest is looking full. Everything is just big, right? But what's taken away from your aesthetics, as you could probably guess it, obviously your body fat percentage. You're probably around the 22% body fat range, maybe a bit higher, but I would suggest just shredding down as fast as possible, probably like 4 months worth of cutting. And yeah, as you say, you just said cut, okay? You know what to do, but mate, you've got more muscle mass than me. I'll give you probably a solid 7 out of 10. Right, next up we have Andrew. Fuck, bro, these kids are taking something else. I like your tattoo, bro. Really small waist, really broad shoulders. Got a nice set of abs coming through, and you certainly are not skipping your leg days. You're probably around the 12% body fat range right now, so I suggest just literally stripping down over the next 4 weeks to get that fat off your frame and then going into a lean bulk. You have a very good chest. Could work on your delts a bit more. You already have a very wide frame, however, your delts do seem a little bit underdeveloped, especially the front delt. So make sure you're not skipping your pressing movements. You've got very thick arms, very thick forearms as well. But overall, bro, you've got a killer physique. I would honestly give this an 8 out of 10. Right, next up we have James. Right, yeah, you have not been training 7 months. Bruv, what are you taking? Are you actually natural? Trying to be a shredded aesthetic shit cunt. Let's fucking go, baby. That's what I like to hear, James. Look, brother, you've got more muscle mass than me for sure. You're looking very aesthetic already. You could do with a bit more ab development. You've got a killer V taper. You know what you're doing, obviously. Your chest looks a little small compared to your back. So focus on your chest as your weak point. And your biceps also seem a little underdeveloped. Now, you've obviously got very long biceps. So I know how you feel, but definitely focus on training your abs more. And bro, I can't believe this is 7 months. That must be wrong. You must mean like 7 years or something. You've got a very good frame, very small waist, just you are holding a bit of fat around that lower belly. So I suggest getting on a cut for probably 6 to 8 weeks, perfect for the 8-week shred challenge. Shredding down as much as possible and then entering a lean bulk phase to try and pack on size as much as possible. You know what you're doing, bro. And if you're watching this, mate, are you natural? Because for 7 months, that is ridiculous. James, I'd honestly give you a 7.5 out of 10. You just need to strip down as fast as possible and you will be looking like a shredded sick cunt. Next up, we have Sagar. 2 years on and off, 6'1", 69 kg. You look a bit heavier than that, especially at 6'1". You must have been skipping leg days or something. Currently in a deficit. Once I lose my lower belly and love handles, need to lean bulk and gaze size since I am tall. That is exactly it, bro. You know what you're doing. Carry on with the cut. You have a very wide back, like a very, very good V taper. But I would say focus on your arms a bit more and obviously the chest. I can see that you have a little bit of gyno, right? No hard feelings. I know how you feel, but just focus on that chest a bit more and arm growth especially. Your back is absolutely massive. Right, so carry on with your cut. You know what you're doing, but no, bro, you're looking good. Overall, I'll probably give it a 5.5 out of 10. You do have that V taper coming in nicely, but you just need a bit more size on your frame. Right, next up, we have Nigel. I have no idea. Right, you've got a good back. You are holding an excess amount of fat. So I suggest getting in that 8-week shred challenge. Just strip off that fat as fast as possible so we can set you up for a lean gaining phase. In regards to your weak points, I suggest focusing on that side delt. It does look very underdeveloped compared to your arms because your arms are very big. Trying to get lean, I was seeing results pretty well until now where the change is very slow. Yeah, as you get deeper and deeper into the cut, you need to make sure you are implementing refeed so we can keep that thyroid going, so we can keep those hunger hormones stable. But I mean, mate, for 3 years training is brilliant progress. You just need to work on your delts a lot more, prioritize them as a weak point. But no, you've got a very good back, you've got a very good V taper coming in, and make sure not to skip your abs, okay? Overall, I'll probably give you a 6.5 out of 10. You're looking hella aesthetic, and I can tell that the face card is locked in. Right, Adita. Hell yeah, bruv. You're rocking the backwards cat. 5 years on and off. This is probably expected for 5 years of training if you have, you know, sort of average genetics. But mate, you've got a very good frame, you've got very wide shoulders with a very narrow waist. Just make sure to hit those abs. It looks like this is taken without a pump. Is this like a morning photo? But no, your delts are looking hella strong, looking very good. You've got the same sort of insertions as me. Everything looks very well balanced, but you just need to train your abs a little bit more. You obviously know what you're doing, bro, because that V taper is coming in very nicely. Overall, I'll probably give you a solid 7 out of 10. But yeah, just make sure to strip down first, get rid of that excess fat, that excess water. You're probably hovering around the 15% body fat range right now. Get down to 10% and then consider a lean bulk. Right, next up we have Leighton. You are shredded. Yeah, even just standing there, man, look, you can see your abs. You're not flexing or anything. You're already very shredded. That side chest is looking good. You have shoulder striations. You've got the veins coming through. You can see the brachialis. You can see those obliques. Oh, mate, you're looking hella aesthetic. I would say work on your chest a lot more. That is definitely your weak point. Your back is looking very dialed, looking very aesthetic, very peeled. You know what you're doing, and by the looks of it, you play sports. And I always see with most guys who come from a sport background, for example, I played a bit of rugby back in the day. It grew my neck and my traps and my legs quite a lot, just naturally. So my legs have always been a strong point for me. So I find the guys who come to me that have had a sporting background always stay lean year round. Obviously, it's quite hard to tell from this front picture, but I would say you probably need a bit more ab development, so make sure you're not skipping your abs. But other than that, bro, what? Hang on a minute, I didn't see that for 6 months of training. Fucking hell, what are these kids eating? Yeah, cutting to get super lean before upping the calories. Yeah, you can literally just shred down for like another, I'd say you are very shredded already, but I would say another 3 to 4 weeks of fully pushing it and then consider entering that lean bulk phase. There's no way you've been training 6 months. That is insane, brother. Overall, I'll probably give you a 7 out of a 10. It's probably a very attractive physique towards females, especially for your age. But other than that, bro, you're doing everything right. Keep it up. Looking very aesthetic. Right, next up we have Roland. Oh, this is an interesting build. The goal is to reach 10% body fat. I'm eating around 2,200 calories. Yeah, just carry on doing that, bro. Make sure you are getting your steps up if you are following that. 3 years on and off, you have a very good amount of muscle mass. You also have very nice insertions. You know, you got that full chest, full arms. But yeah, definitely carry on the cut for like another 8 weeks, 12 weeks, and work on your lats and your shoulders. Work on that V taper. You have very good chest genetics and your arms are looking very big. Okay, if you shred down, we can already see your abs. You are at a relatively high body fat percentage right now. I would probably say around the 20% body fat range. But when you shred down, mate, those abs will be popping and you'll be looking hella aesthetic if you build that V taper while shredding down. Other than that, bro, I'll probably give you a solid, it's like in between 6.5 and 7, so like 6.75 out of 10. But yeah, bro, you're looking very good. Just keep up the cut and then you can enter that lean bulking phase. You know what you're doing. You're having your high, your medium and your low days, and you're fasting around 16 hours a day. That is perfect. You'll be shredded in no time if you carry on. Right, next up we have Isaac. 10 years hockey, gym, 2.5 months. Oh my fucking days, mate. Right, you guys need to be honest with how long you've been training for. That is not 2.5 months. If it is 2.5 months, bro, you've got insane genetics. You've definitely packed on a good amount of size in that 2.5 months. You've got a very thick upper back, but you are sitting at a quite high body fat percentage. I suggest shredding down, going on an aggressive cut for probably 3 months, and that will get you sorted. You already have a decent amount of muscle mass and overall a very nice balanced physique. I'll probably give this a 5.5 out of 10, but yeah, bro, just keep it up. I mean, for 2.5 months, that can't be right. Right, next up we have Chris Lee. Lean down to 15 to 16% body fat, lose fat around the waist and face, trains 3 times a week plus cardio. Yeah, you definitely need to lean down. You have a very good frame on you. I can see you having a small tight waist and a very aesthetic physique when you get shredded. You've been training 2 years. Now I see with most Asian guys, when they have like the most insane transformations, you just see it on like Instagram all the time. They like shred down crazily and they have this really aesthetic physique. But yeah, bro, I suggest working on your chest as your focus on your chest as your weak point. Don't lean down to 15% body fat. I suggest leaning down to sub 12%. But other than that, bro, you've got a good amount of size, but you just need to focus on bringing up that chest a bit more. Overall, I'll probably give you a 6 out of 10. Right, next up, Christian. 6 months training. boys, can you please be honest with me? Very, very good for 6 months of training, bro. You sort of have like the same muscle insertions as me. You can see your upper chest, your clavicular head splitting on the chest, looking very aesthetic, especially for 6 months of training. 62 kg is quite on the light side, quite surprising. Goal is to develop an aesthetic physique and maybe do influencing if my genetics are decent enough. Look, bro, you can always be an influencer. You can always be a YouTuber, no matter your genetics. There's always a story to tell. People will like you for who you are, not, you know, your physique. Finished my bulk in May, finished at 17% body fat and have been on a cut since. So yeah, keep on shredding down, bro. You have very, very good potential, especially because this is 6 months worth of training. Obviously you are abusing the lighting here, but honestly you have a very well-rounded, balanced physique and you do have good genetics, bro. Keep it up, man. You know exactly what you're doing. I'll probably give you a solid 6.5 out of 10. Right, next up we have Sohan. Looking fucking aesthetic, bro. 2 years of training. Yeah, looking really good, man. You just need to shred down first. As we can see, there's a bit too much fat around that midsection. Once you get lean, bro, you will be looking really aesthetic. It's probably a good 3 to 4 months worth of cutting, but once you get shredded, bro, I mean, with this type of frame and these genetics, you'll be looking hella aesthetic. And when you get shredded, I suggest shaving the body hair. No, it's not gay, okay? Overall, bro, I'll probably give you a 6.5 out of 10. You're looking very aesthetic. Everything is well balanced. You have a very, very big chest and there is a lot of aesthetic potential here. Once you get down to that 10% body fat range, you'll probably be looking like an 8 out of 10. Right. Last one is ABBA. Okay, look, I'm gonna be brutally honest here. You've done no training. You've literally said you've done no training. So step one is to get into the gym. This is the classic skinny fat build. I want to get an aesthetic body with abs. Yeah, bro, first of all, just get in the gym, get on a calorie deficit, shred down the excess fat. And yes, you will gain muscle in a cut, especially because you haven't even trained, right? So you're gonna get newbie gains. It's gonna be easy for you to pack on muscle, but realistically, there's nothing to really rate here. We don't really have a physique to go off. By the looks of it, you do have a bit of chest development though. You've probably been doing some push-ups in your room, but yeah, if you are looking like this, a bit skinny fat, you need to shred down. Okay, you have excess fat in your frame. It's not doing you any good. It's keeping you unhealthy, but bro, there's massive potential for all of us. It's never over. So make sure to get into the gym and make sure to shred down. Okay, I really hope this one helped, boys. I hope you can take something away from this video. I do have like 80 more physique submissions, so let me know if you do want a part 2. And I thought I would mention again, I am running that 8-week shred challenge with a $1,000 grand prize to the best transformation. So if you are sitting around this body fat, this body fat, and this body fat, it is literally perfect for you. Enter your details in the form down below and let me get you shredded in 8 weeks alongside a group of legends that are all on the same mission to develop that sexy, aesthetic, shredded physique. Yeah, really hope this one helped, boys, and I'll see you in the next one.